Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the app identity and gathering quick evidence, logs, crash timestamps, and the app version. Once done, disable auto-launch to stop repeat restarts so you can diagnose without interference. Make sure to back up user data and settings first. This avoids data loss while you change configs. Next, open the System Event Viewer or console and filter for the app name. Record any error codes you see, because those codes guide the targeted fixes you'll apply in the next steps. Now dig into causes. Verify file permissions and required services are running, and confirm any dependency libraries exist. If permissions or missing files show up, repair them and then clear the app cache and reset its configuration to default so corrupt settings aren't causing restarts. Once you've applied fixes, run the app in safe mode or with verbose logging to observe behavior. This reveals whether the problem is resolved or if a specific module still fails, which you can then isolate and patch. Finish by re-enabling Auto Start and monitoring the app closely for the next 24 to 48 hours to confirm stability. Check logs periodically to ensure no new errors appear. If restarts persist, capture fresh logs and compare timestamps to your earlier records to identify regression points, then roll back the last update or configuration change if necessary. If you still can't resolve it, package the logs and steps you followed and contact the vendor or support forum. They need that contact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.